Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you will forgive me for this video and that you'll still enjoy it. I think that the content is great. The presentation is not the greatest. It is Monday. I have been working on all of these DIYs since I got off work, and I have a house full of kids in and out. So I've done the best that I can. I still think they turned out darling, and I think that you're going to enjoy them. So I made 3 different DIY projects. They are simple, anybody can do them. They are all inexpensive, and I think that they look higher end. One is actually a Pottery Barn dupe. I will show you the Pottery Barn one, and then I'll show you mine. And I think I love how it turned out, especially because I paid a fraction of the price, and I'm really excited about it. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorials. Our first DIY, you're going to need one of these little packages of paper mache houses from Hobby Lobby. They're $14.99. They're in the paper mache aisle, and you can always get them 40% off if you wait every other week. I purchased them for $14.99 because I thought it was still a great deal because you get 3. And then you're going to need this, it's called Slick. It's a puffy paint, and the houses, like I said, there's 3 for $14.99, so I thought that was a great deal. I'm doing a voiceover at 10:55 at night, and my dog is snoring behind me, so please forgive me for that. But I love that there are 3 different sizes, so you could use them anywhere. I plan to use these on my kitchen open shelves, but I will show you what I do next. You can obviously get as creative as you want with these gingerbread houses. They look really good from afar, but up close, not so much. I still think that they're cute. I'm still going to use them, and maybe you're better. You have a steadier hand than I do, but I do not. I get shaky, and squeezing that bottle is kind of tough. So anyway, you'll see, made a couple different designs and stuck with that. I'm not going to show you the whole process of every single one of them because it did take some time, and you get the idea. Just decorate them however your little heart desires. I do think that the small one here is my absolute favorite. I don't know, maybe it's because it was smaller to work with and it took less time. I don't know, but I loved how I did the wreaths on there, and all I did is, you can see, I did a little circle and then just swirled it around so you got the texture of a wreath, and then just making it look like there's a bunch of snow everywhere. Next up, I picked up 2 of these raw wood nutcrackers from Michael's. They were 50% off, so $7 each, which is a steal. This is the Pottery Barn dupe. I will insert a photo of that right now. For the set of these 2 at Pottery Barn, it's $138. So I'm feeling pretty good about my little DIY project here, only costing me $15 because I already had the stain on hand. So I'm just gonna scuff these up a little bit. I'm not doing anything crazy or intensive. And then I'm going to use the color Early American and stain them. There were some spots on here where the glue was like seeping through and it didn't stain, but you know what, it didn't even bother me. So, but if you see it, that's what it is. I don't want them to be perfect, and so I was okay with that. I did tie a little bow around his neck and I thought that was cute. You'll have to let me know what you think. Is it a dupe or is it not a dupe? I think it is. And I really love how they turned out. Our last DIY, you're gonna preheat your oven to 250 degrees. And while that's heating up, you're going to slice up some oranges. You're going to slice them about like a little bit less than 1/4 of an inch, I find is the best. This has been trial and error. I've tried several times and that's what I feel like. I feel like 1/4 of an inch is just a little bit too big, but if you go anything low, like too thin, then they just burn. So you're going to slice up as many as you want, and then you're going to put them in the oven and bake them for about 3 hours. But you can see here some of the ones that were thin kind of burned around the edges, but the other ones worked really great. So as you can see here, they're kind of brown, and then I just let them sit out overnight. Here are all my dried oranges. There's so many things you can do with these. You can string them together and make a garland. You can use them as ornaments. But I want you to come back to my next video because I am going to show you how I'm going to use them. And I'll give you a little hint. So come back so you can see how I use them. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed those DIYs. And if you try them or make them over the holiday or over the weekend, I'd love to see them. Find me on Instagram and then tag me. And I'll catch you guys in my next video because we're gonna decorate this beautiful tree that I just put up today. If you follow me on Instagram, I made a little reel. You should go check it out. And yeah, I hope you guys have the best Thanksgiving. And I'm really grateful that you support me here on my channel. even in the midst of my crazy life. So thank you, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.